Hey everyone, I am making this video to wish you all happy National Ceiling Fan Day, and I hope you had a good one. Sorry this isn't really a special for this year, but just wanted to wish you all that. I just started out my Casablanca Artisan here up on high speed. Still blowing a lot of air like it should. I'll also be starting up this Vornado floor fan here. Very good air mover as well. I have been using these fans throughout the summer. Also, I'm not 100% sure if the Artisan is going as fast as it should. If it's not, then it means that the capacitor is fading, but I think it's fine for now. I'm still getting a good breeze from this fan, so I'm not too worried about it. There's one of my clocks going off there. Anyways, yeah, this is my wish to you all. A happy National Ceiling Fan Day, and I hope to be putting more content on this channel soon, and I'll probably be making a separate video of what my current channel situation is and similar stuff like that, what's been going on in my life lately. But yeah, that will have to be another video. But yeah, I hope you all had a good National Ceiling Fan Day, and thank you for watching.